Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys an extra cheesy Philly cheesesteak from Philadelphia. Hopefully it's going to be from Philadelphia. So it ain't gonna be quite from Philadelphia because see, I bought this cheese, this Velveeta cheese. It's like cheese sauce and it's kind of thick, guys. But you gotta see that close up. Alright, so I got 2 packages of those, but I'm only gonna be making 2 sandwiches because some people don't like onions in my family. Now, the way I'm gonna be making this today is not the typical way that I make it. I will put a link somewhere up here so you guys can go check that one out. But this is the ingredients that we have for this one today. Alright. This is triple cheddar cheese right here. This is 1 medium onion sliced up. And I have 2 cloves of garlic chopped up right there. Okay guys? See if you guys can see that. This camera be acting the fool sometime. So yeah. Alright, so I have some sea salt, pink sea salt, Himalaya. And I have some black pepper right here. Alright? And I'm cooking 4 of these sirloin, what is it, sirloin Philly cheesesteaks. They come in a package like this. If you guys don't know where to find this at, you can find this at Aldi's. And the cheese I found for $1, guys. $1 at the Dollar Tree. This bread right here is like $2 right here. I'm only going to use 1 of these because I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so that's what we got here. And I got this at Kroger's, not Kroger's, at Walmart for $1.98. And these Philly cheesesteaks, I believe they're like $6.80 or $6.90, something like that for these. It's well worth it because you're gonna pay that and some for like 1 Philly cheesesteak. Okay, and you can make at least 4 of them, but I like a lot of meat on mine, so that's how we're gonna get down. And I'm gonna be cooking it in my skillet. Okay, cast iron skillet. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna put your stove on your eye on medium. We're gonna take your little olive oil, put that in there, move that around. Okay, make sure that on there. Just gonna come in there with my meat. Like that. Just like that, guys. You're just gonna let that cook up for about a minute, about 2 minutes on each side. And then we're gonna season it up and all that good stuff. And make the thing down. Put a little bit more oil in there. Let me see what kind of fat I want to use. That's for a grill. Let this over here, see if it's not done. See how it's not done. You don't want to be anxious to flip. I'm hungry, that's why I'm flipping early. Crazy inside. It's the truth, I'm starving. Take a look at my seasoning on this side. Black pepper. And this is like a teaspoon of black pepper. I got a teaspoon with pink sea salt. Some of that on there. Like so. Just turn this up a little bit. sure to let it get a little smoky first. Turn the pan on, guys. Breaking apart. It don't take long for this to cook because it's really hot. This is what we're going to do. We're going to flip it again. This side cooking first. The other side up. Put this in the middle. This side up. More salt. More black pepper. Come in here and chop it up, guys. Like this. Just like that. Let's join those things right there. We take our onions and garlic. Put that in the middle. Put a little more olive oil in there. Turn it up a little bit. Covered. Alright, just mix it together. Take the red tomato pepper. Like so. have that much sauce, so it's that as well. A good minute, this should be done. You want to get creative. You can take you some Worcestershire sauce or something like that. Or whatever you want to put in yours. I normally put this, but I'm not making my traditional Philly cheesesteak. So I normally put like steak sauce in mine. So this is what you want to do. Take the cheese, right here. You can turn this off. Take the cheese by a handful, or should I say like a cup. Like that. I'm going to toast up my bread and put this stuff together. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay fam, I am done. Alright, now here's your cheese right here. You want to put this in some hot water, okay guys? Because you can't microwave this. So I'm just going to squeeze some of this on here. Nothing fancy. I don't want a lot of this on mine anyway. Ooh, wee. Looks like the boy about to go down today. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Alright, this is how I look up, close up. Cheesy Philly cheesesteak with that yummy sauce on it. Ooh, wee. You know what I'm saying? Let me leave that alone. Let me stop playing games. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.